Welcome to TOneAcademy. In our reasoning series, we are going to see the next concept, that is mirror image and water image. So this one is also very important. Earlier we discussed about Venn diagrams, how frequently they are asking the Venn diagrams in the CGL or CHSL prelims or Tier 1 examination. Like this, similarly we are going to see one question from this mirror image or water image concept, students. A simple and basic concepts where we will get the answers easily. Here also we will take the help of option elimination. We will try to eliminate the causes. How we will eliminate? First of all, we should understand what is this mirror image and water image. I will take the example of letter B, students, so that it will be very clear for you. So intentionally I am writing letter B like this. Give me a second. Okay. Intentionally we will write the alphabet B like this. Okay, I am writing the alphabet B or any symbol like this B. So now when it comes to the mirror image, in mirror image keep one thing in your mind, left becomes right and right becomes left. Right becomes left. This is the rule or the relation which we have. Now see here, students, this is a vertical line and this is a three shaped one. So I have this one towards left and this one towards right. So when it comes to this one, so this is at the left position, right? Now it will come to the rightward position. Now it will come to the rightward position. And this 3 is here, right? This was there here. So now this will come to the in the reverse order. So that means what happens to this one? This will be my mirror image. This will be my mirror image. Left becomes right and right becomes left. Right becomes left. Now when it comes to water image, what will happen in case of water image, students? So we should observe this one. In case of water image, top becomes bottom and bottom becomes top. Okay, top becomes bottom and bottom becomes top. Left right remains the same. Here also top and bottom remains the same. It will not be changed. Why? Because small one is there at the top, big one is there at the bottom. So here top bottom will not be changed, just left right will be changed. But in case of water image, left right will not be changed, but top bottom will be changed. So that means if the vertical line is towards left, here also I will have towards left. But what happens here is, this top will come to the bottom and bottom will go to the top. So that means here I will have like this. So this is water image and this is the mirror image. In case of mirror image, left becomes right, right becomes left. In case of water image, top becomes bottom, bottom becomes top. Now, some general observation, students. When it comes to triangle, in mirror image it remains as triangle only, there will be no difference. But when it comes to water image, it will become inverted triangle. See here, students, left becomes right, right becomes left means it is unchanged, right? So when it comes to triangle, so what is bottom for me here? A base. And what is top for me here? A dot, a vertices. So the same thing, vertices will come to bottom and my base will go to the top. So triangle, like this, different shapes. By seeing these shapes, we will try to eliminate the options and then find the perfect answer for us. Once again I am telling, in case of mirror image and water image, left becomes right and right becomes left. In case of water image, top becomes bottom and bottom becomes top. So this is the basic understanding of this mirror image or water image. See, students, earlier there used to be paper based examination. Okay, what the aspirants used to do is, if this is the paper, if I want to write the mirror image for this one, what they used to do is, they used to overwrite on this one or they used to overdraw on this figure with the pen and just they used to turn it. They used to turn the paper and whatever the shape which they can see, if you turn it, you will see the shape in this manner. And they used to mark that as the answer. That is how they used to mark the mirror image. And when it comes to water image, they used to overwrite like this and they used to fold the paper so that the impression falls on the other bottom, second half of the paper. And they used to mark this one as water image. That is the general procedure which they have done earlier. So now what is happening is, now still you can use that same method, but what happens here is, if the shape is simple, okay, you can draw it in the rough sheet and you can do this method or this method. But if the shape is very difficult, that means if the case is very difficult, there you cannot draw the figure. If you try to draw the figure, it will waste a lot of time. So instead of that, just observe the small things in the given figure. Definitely it will be a very huge figure which contains different elements like arrow marks and all those things. For example, if I have a arrow mark like this, in mirror image what it becomes, students? It becomes like this, right? When it comes to water image, it still remains like this only. It still remains like this. Now for example, the same image, if I have something arrow mark upward arrow, if I see the mirror image, it remains the same. But when I see the water image, what it becomes? It becomes an inverted one. Like this, by observing this type of small things, triangles, arrow marks or any other shape, we will try to observe the things and we need to eliminate the options and write the perfect answer for this. So this is how we are going to solve the questions of this mirror image and water image. Which are very important for us. Now we will go with the examples, students. The first one. See, which of the answer figure is exactly mirror image of the given figure when the mirror is placed on the line AB. Now the mirror is placed at this position. What is the mirror image of this figure? Now first and foremost thing, circle was there towards left, right? So in case of mirror image, left becomes right, right becomes left. So circle is there towards left means now the circle will come towards right. So which figure I have circle towards right direction? In the first figure I have, in the second figure it will be eliminated, third one it will be eliminated and fourth one. So now I have two chances here, first or fourth. Okay, by seeing just this circle, I came to know. Next, when it comes to the arrow, if it is pointing down, in my answer also it should point down, right? Why? Because only left right changes but not up and down. Only left right changes in mirror image. But please see in my option D, the arrow is shifted to upward direction, which is completely wrong, right? So that one is deleted. For me here. So what is my correct option here? Option 1. So we will solve this mirror image or water image with the help of option elimination. That is the best method for us to get the answer. So here our answer becomes option 1, right? We will see the next one. Now please see this one, students. Now what is happening here? I have a triangle which was divided into three parts. One is shaded, one is just stripped lines and the other one is kept empty. A triangle is divided into three portions and I need to find the mirror image of this triangle. Now the shaded portion is towards left, right? Now the shaded portion will move towards right. So here the shaded portion is towards right. Okay, here it is towards left only, here it is towards right and here it is also towards right. Right, clear? Okay sir, fine. Now next, in this third figure, the figure became inverted. Will the figure becomes inverted in case of mirror image? No. Why? Because in mirror image, triangle remains as triangle only. It will not get inverted. Because of that reason, my third option is also deleted. Now come to first and fourth options. In the first options, how the lines are there? These are horizontal lines, right? So the same horizontal lines will be there, but it will come towards left. But what is happening in this fourth option, students? They became vertical lines. So the fourth option is deleted. So what is the perfect one for us here? Option A will be, or option 1 will be our correct answer here. The first figure will be the mirror image for the given figure. This is how you need to solve. Check the things carefully, the minute things, and then try to eliminate the wrong option here. So one will be left for us, that will be the correct one. Next, see the next one. Now next, see the next figure, students. Here there is a rhombus. It was divided into 4 parts. So only the upper portion have some lines, whereas the bottom portion doesn't have any lines. So in mirror image also I will have only lines in upper image. So now the image which contains lines in the bottom portion should be eliminated. So this option is eliminated. Why? Because I have lines in the bottom portion. This option is also eliminated. Okay, 2 options are eliminated. Now first see here, towards left I have the lines downward. So now this left will become what? Right. Now please observe this option, students. Both the lines are to the same side. Like that also it is getting eliminated, right? Why? Because one should be one part and the other 2 lines should be in the other part. But here all the 4 are in the same portion, that is deleted. But we will see the left one. So left and the top one, I mean right side one will become left. So our correct answer here becomes option 3. Option 3 will be our correct answer here. Okay. Next we will see the next one, students. Pause the video and try to get the answer for this one, everyone. Please pause the video and try to get the answer. First, the arrow is showing which direction? Towards left, right. So my option should show what? Towards the right. So towards the right, okay, fine. Bottom and top we will see it later. But anyway, arrow is towards left, right. So here towards left, here it is right, here it is towards right. Next, arrow is in the upper portion, right? It will not come to down portion. It still remains in the upper portion only. But please see here in this first option, it is coming downward. So that is deleted. So now I have two chances, one this one and the other one is this one. Now, how I need to eliminate this one? How I need to eliminate this one? Now, see here students, this portion, the turn is towards left, right. Next, the turn should move towards right. It should be right folded. But please see here, here it is right folded, but here it is left folded, right. So that one is gone wrong. That one is gone wrong. So our answer here becomes option C. See the bottom one also, see the bottom one. It is towards the right, right. Now here it is to see. Towards right, I have the turn. But here towards left, I have the turn. Why? Because right becomes left, left becomes right. So because of that reason, my correct answer here is option 3. My correct answer here becomes option 3 for us here. Okay, read the question and observe the small things carefully so that you will get the answer perfectly. Right, next is the next one. Now please observe here students. See, whether you put mirror here or here, it doesn't matter for us. Anyway, it gives us the same answer. Need not to worry, sir. In previous option, the mirror was put here. Now it was shifted to this one. No worry, ma. Wherever the mirror was put, we will get the same answer. Left should become right, right should become left. That is the simple answer for us. Now see here towards the right, I have this perfect triangle. Now it will come towards left, right. So which option I have towards left students? Here once again it is still in the right position, so that is gone. Here also once again in the right position, that is also gone. So in these two figures I have towards left and left. So there is chance for third and fourth. Now come to the lines. This is pointing towards left one, right. Now it should point towards what? Right one. Now please see here, it is pointing towards the right one. But here I don't have, it was shifted to the bottom one. It was shifted, which is completely wrong. So here my answer will become option 4. Option 4 will be my correct answer here. Option 4 will be my correct answer here. Next, see the next one. Now, please see here students, there is an square between that. Okay, square is there here also. This shaded portion is leaning towards the right, right. Now it should lean towards the left. Now it should lean towards left. But please observe here, this is still having the leaning towards right. So that is not my answer. Okay, sir. Now, please observe this. Now come to the answer. Now come to the internal lines. When it comes to this bottom one, in this triangle, the lines are in which manner? Horizontal manner. So in my answer also, it should be in the same horizontal manner. So, but please see here, in these two options, these two are in the vertical manner. So these two options are deleted. So only this one. Now please see here, vertical and horizontal. Vertical and horizontal. So both are satisfied. So our answer here becomes option 1. Our answer here becomes option 1 will be our answer. Why? Because these directions will not be changed in case of mirror image. It will not be changed in case of mirror image. Right? We will see the next one. Now see here students. Now mirror image. Now mirror image. What will happen? Two circles are there, is no doubt in that. In the first circle, what I have? A square. This square should move to the second circle. Why? Because here I have mirror, right? So this square should move to the second circle. This square should move to the second circle for us. So where we will have the second circle here? See, here square is there still in the first circle, that is not my answer. Here square is in the second circle, okay fine. Here there is not at all square, so that is deleted. Here there is square. Okay, two chances are there for me here. Now, this triangle will, inverted triangle will same remain as inverted triangle only. There will be no difference. There will be no difference. The inverted triangle still remains as inverted triangle only for us here. But what is happening in this option 2, inverted, but in option 4 what it is becoming? A perfect triangle. So that one is also deleted. So we can mark our answer as option 2. We can mark our answer as option 2. Option 2 will be our answer here. So these two portions will go to this side. Yes, it went. And these two will come to this side. Yes, it came this side. So our answer here becomes option 2. Option 2 will be our answer in this case. Okay, read the question carefully. Observe the question carefully and then try to solve it. Next one, the shaded portion. Now please observe here students, in the bottom I have this vertical lines towards left, horizontal line towards left. In the bottom I have horizontal line towards left. So this horizontal line should move towards right. So still here it is in the left one only, so this one is deleted. Here it moved to the right, okay, we will see. Still it is in the left, this one is deleted, here it moved to right. Okay, next. See here, these are what? Horizontal lines. So in my mirror image also it should still remain like horizontal lines only. So but what is happening here, they are becoming vertical lines. So our answer here becomes option 4. Option 4 will be our answer here. Option 4 is our answer here. So based on these lines, see here students, once again I am repeating, if you have any lines in this vertical, in mirror image also you will have the same one. If you have like this, in the water image also, mirror image also you will have the same lines. They will not be changed to any cross manner or in any other manner. Okay, so need not to worry about these things. Just to check, the line should not be changed here. Line should not be changed here. Next, see the next one. Now, first and foremost thing, this looks like a 3, right? It will come to the right portion in the given figure. It will come to the right side and this arrow and circle comes to the left. See, but still it is in the left only, so that is gone wrong. It is still in the left, that is also gone wrong. Now it moved towards right, okay, fine. In these two options it moved towards right, okay. Next, when it comes to this arrow and this circle, it remains same, right? Its direction will not be changed. Why? Because this is a mirror image. If it is a water image, it might be changed, but this is a mirror image, right? So it will not be changed. So arrow should point towards downward and it should be touched with a circle. But what is happening here? Arrow is pointing towards upward, right? Arrow is pointing upward, so this one is gone wrong. So our answer here becomes option 3. Our answer here becomes option 3 and that will be the final answer for us here. So option 3 will be the answer for us here. Next, see the next one. Now, please see here, similar one. Here the arrow is pointing towards what, students? Towards right direction, right? In my answer figure, it should point towards leftward direction. So here it is pointing to left, there is a chance. But here it is not at all pointing, that is gone. And here it is also not at all pointing, and here it is also pointing. Yes, there is a chance for this one also. Okay, there are chances for both these figures. Now please see this circle and this symbol inside that circle. It is pointing upward, right? It was there in upward. So in my answer also it should show upward only. But what is happening here in this figure? It is showing towards downward. So this option is eliminated for us. This option is eliminated. Our answer here becomes option 1. Option 1 will be our answer here. See, observe the small things and based on that write the perfect answer. Right? We will see the next one. Now please see here. Here the arrow, first I am going with this arrow. Arrow is pointing towards right, means next in my answer it should point towards left. So here it is pointing towards left, there is a chance. Here it is not pointing, that is gone. Here it is pointing towards left, there is a chance. Here this one is deleted. Okay, fine. Now see here circle and dot, see these two are same. Next see here students, what is happening here? I have a semicircle here, but what I have here, a complete circle. A complete circle, right? So this one is also wrong. So our answer here becomes option 3. Option 3 will be our final answer. Why? Because I have only a semicircle. So in reverse I should have semicircle only. So like that we will mark our answer. Next one. Now see here students, these are water images. These are water images for us. Now read the question. Find the water image of the object given in the question figure denoted by X out of the figures given in the answer figures 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they will give us 4 figures and here these are what for me? Water images. These are what for me here? Water images. So top becomes bottom, bottom becomes top. Right, left remains same. Okay, so I will think now top and bottom cases. Now I have a line in the top. So this line should come to what? Bottom for me. So line at bottom, no, still line is at the top, so that is deleted. Line at bottom, there is a chance. Line at bottom, there is a chance. Line at bottom, there is a chance. Okay, all the 3 have chances. Now just left becomes right, right becomes left. Sorry, not top becomes bottom, bottom. So this will be inverted, right? This figure will be inverted. So this looks like this. First, U shape will be like this, and this one will be still attached to the left side one only. still attached to the left side one only. Which option is having like this? Now this option is getting deleted. Why? Because it is attached here. So okay, this shape is fine. So there is chance for both third and fourth. Now see here, towards which side I have this line? Towards left or right? Right. So in my answer also I should have towards right only. It should not be shifted to left. So which one is there for me here? Here it is shifted to left. So our answer here becomes 4. Okay. So in water image, just top and bottom changes, but not left and right. But not left and right. So top and bottom it was changed, and we are writing left and right. Okay. Next one. We will see the next image. Now see the next image. Same. See here students, an arrow and a dot. This dot now should show upward, right? So dot should show upward. So dot is showing upward. This is the only option. Here bottom, here bottom, and here bottom. So all the 3 got deleted. All the 3 got deleted just with this dot. But we will check once again. This triangle should come to bottom, square should go to up. Yes, it went. And at the same time, triangle should be in an inverted manner. Yes, triangle became inverted manner here. So anyway, that is our answer just by seeing this dot. But still, we checked the remaining things. The square should go to upper box, triangle should come to bottom box. Yes, so our answer here becomes option 1. Next, see the next one. Now please observe here students. There are 2 circles like this. Fine. And in between that we have a square. Okay, fine. Now we will go with the square. In the square, shaded portion is upward and empty is downward, right? Now it should become reverse, right? So that means empty should come up, shaded should come down. But here it is same, shaded is upward. No, that is wrong. So empty up, yes, empty up, yes, empty up. There is chance for all the 3, right? Now the small circle should go to up. Small circles are going up. Yes, small circles are going up. Yes, there is a chance. Now here shaded portion is upward, so it should come to downward. Shaded portion came to downward, that is also fine. Now shaded portion is here down, it should come to up. It came up, it came up, it came up. Okay, fine. All the 3 are possibilities for us here. Now check this side. Shaded portion is towards the right side of the image, right? So it should still maintain the right side. But what is happening here? Shaded portion went to left. Sorry, shaded portion is towards left, right here, left. So here also I should have left, but it went to right. Here also it went to right. These 2 options are deleted. So the only option left for me is option 4. So option 4 is the correct one for us here. Option 4 is the correct one for us here. Right? We will see the next one. Now see here students. So first I will go with this arrow. I will go with this arrow. Arrow should show which downward direction. Arrow is showing in all the 3 downward. Fine. Next this shaded portion. Shaded portion should come to downward, right? Still shaded portion is upward, so that is gone. Shaded portion is upward, that is gone. So there is chance for both of this. There is chance for both of this. Next see here students. This is attached to the rightmost part. So still it should carry the rightmost part only. But what is happening in this figure? In this figure, it is shifted to leftmost part, right? So that one is deleted. So 4th one will be our answer. 4th one will be our answer. In case of water image, left and rights are not changed. They will be there wherever it is there. See here the image is attached to the right side portion. So still the image should attach to the right side portion. Okay, that is the reason we are eliminating option 3 here. Option 3 here. Just observe the things carefully. Okay, next one. Please see this one. I will go with this arrow. It is showing towards left, right? In the mirror image, this one will come to top and this one will go to bottom. That means the up arrow should show towards the right. Up arrow is showing towards right. There is a chance. This one is eliminated. There is a chance, and this one is also eliminated. Okay, fine. These 2 are eliminated. Okay. Now this vertical and horizontal. Vertical should go down and horizontal should go up. Okay. Horizontal. These 2 are chances for me. These 2 are chances for me. So vertical should go up and horizontal. Yes, but please see here, it is still maintaining the same shape. So that is the reason this third one is wrong. Third one is wrong. So our answer here becomes option 1. Why? Because it is still maintaining the same thing here. It is still maintaining the same thing. So third one is wrong. So our answer here becomes first option. First option will be our answer here. Next we will see the next one. Now see here students. Circle should come down. In all the 3 figures, circle is coming down, right? rhombus should go up, rhombus is going up, and this empty should go up and shaded should come down. But what is happening here, students? What is happening here? It is not at all possible for me. Now empty is going up, shaded, there is a chance. This one is also gone wrong, empty, there is a chance for this one. Okay. Now see here, arrow is showing which direction, students? Leftward directions. So still in my figure also arrow should show leftward direction, but it is shifted to rightward, right? So that one is wrong. So our answer here becomes option 2. Why? Because arrow should not be changed. It is pointing towards left means in water image also it should point towards left. So our answer here becomes option 2. Option 2 will be our answer. Next we will see the next one. Now please see here. So in a circle, this down and up, right? Down and up. So this down in answer it should come what? Up. So and this shaded portion should go to the upward position. So just by that, first of all option 3 is eliminated. So from down it started up, right? So it should start from what? From up it should go down. Okay, up it should go down. Up it should go down, right? It is happening. Here also that same thing is happening. Okay. Now but see here, students, it is still maintaining the same shape. Actually it is down, right? So it should go up, but it is going like this. This one is correct. It is down, right? So here I should have a bulge like this. I should have a bulge like this. So this one is wrong for me. So here also, please check here in the middle we came to know. So our answer here becomes option 2. Option 2 will be the correct answer. Here I have a down. So in answer you should have a bulge. So bulge where I have this one. So option 2 will be our answer here. Option 2 will be our answer here. Next, see the next one. Now see here, students. I have x should come to bottom. X should come to bottom. So there is chance for this. This one is eliminated. This one is, there is chance for this. Now see here, students. A should be an inverted manner, right? This dot. So A should be an inverted manner. So like this I should have. But please check in my first option. A is a perfect A here still. So that is the reason this first one is wrong. A is a perfect A. So our answer here becomes option 4. Option 4 will be our answer here. Next, see the next. Now please see this one, students. First I will go with this invert triangle, students. This triangle will go to up, shaded portion will come down, right? But please see here what is coming to the down? Star, that is deleted. Triangle showed up and shaded, right? It is a shaded one. This one is deleted and this one is also deleted. So only one is option 4. Just by seeing this triangle and shaded square, everything is done. So our answer here becomes option 4. Option 4. Why? Because remaining 3 it is not following that condition. Okay, right? Now please see this question, students. It is showing up arrow and in the shaded portion is at upward. So the shaded portion should come to downward. So only one option is there for me. What is that option? Option 2. Option 2. So directly I can say that my answer is here. Option 2. Option 2. Option 2 will be my answer here. Option 2 will be my answer here. Next. That's it, students. This is mirror image and water image. With this concept, students, we have almost finished all the reasoning concepts and we will see if there are any reasoning concepts in the further sessions. But please do watch all our videos. We have shared the reasoning, entire reasoning concepts was given and at the same time entire quant concepts are also there. Okay, as a playlist in our channel. Not only this quant and reasoning, every day we are uploading the daily current affairs and all these things. Please do watch all our videos, students. Why? Because for a good cause we are giving these videos at a free of cost in YouTube. Okay, just to help all the people or the students from different financial status. So please do watch all the videos. If you have any suggestions or any answers and any other things, you can mention it in the comments. So definitely we will read all your comments and definitely give a reply to your comments. Thank you very much.